Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome back on my channel. Today's video part number 3, how to earn money on YouTube, and we are going to set performance and going to overview our Google AdSense account. And my last couple of video we have a sign up for Google AdSense account, and we are look about how to start at YouTube. If you miss any my video, then I will leave a link in the description of this video and you can go watch if you wish. So now I have made a Google AdSense account in last video and my account got verified already. So in this video we will go overview to the Google AdSense account. We'll see how it look like after activate by Google, and we will go through the couple things we need to know, and then we will set performance for monetize. So once you click on Google AdSense account settings, you will get to this page. On this page you will see all, like, once your channel got monetized, you will see anything you making, any money transfer to your channel, all information. You can also go to in a little bit more detail. It will tell you about, like, by the days, about every days, how much money you made, how much you gain, which country your video going to watch more, or stuff like that. And you are a home page right now, and the only the after that the thing you need to set up like a payment over here. Whatever the money you will make, anytime you have a more than $100 in your account, you can set up automatic transfer to bank account, or either way you can transfer manually. But before you do that one, we have to set our other information, like our IRS information, your social security. If you're running a business, you have to add tax ID, then your bank account where your all money going to be after this one like a Google account. You will earn money, it will stay here, but you have to transfer on your personal bank account or something. But we not worry about right now, because we have a couple things to do more. Like, first we have to talk about how to apply for monetize and set performance. Once we start making money, then we will go to this step. As I talked already, every Saturday by 5 p.m. and in California, I will upload one video. So I will keep going until we have a money transfer to our accounts. Now we're gonna close the Google AdSense account, and we have a step number 3 to finish now. On step number 3, we have to set monetize performance. So for this one, we will simply click on start. Actually, this is only about how you want to overlay or show you advertisement once it's got monetized. So once you get on this page, you can choose the either way you want to, or you can uncheck any tick mark you don't like to be shown on your channel. And I think that's the best way to do it. That's a skippable advertisements at the first point. Once your channel got more popular, you got more views, and people start waiting for your videos, you can always change anytime you start uploading video. So I will not make any change over here. I will just click on save. We can always make a change once we are uploading video. We can go to advanced setting and we can make change how you want to show our advertisement, or not, or anything you want to change, you can always change. But now we are on number 4. At number 4, we have to meet the goal to be get monetized. So actually at this time I have only 28 watch hour and 59 subscribers. So we have to wait. Once we reach to our requirement, like 4,000 and more watch hour, 1,000 and more subscribers, you will see green check mark behind those numbers, and top of this page you will see account and review. And once we meet to the goal, and YouTube will take 2 to 3 weeks to be play advertisement on our channel and on videos, and we will start earning some money. So I think that's all for today. In my last video, we will go to the next step, like if once we meet to the goal, we'll talk about once you meet the goal, how it look like, and how you can start earning money, how much money you do. Then we will set up a payment stuff, and there's a lot more to work on it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.